Hello everybody, I just thought I'd do a little video on installing a step for the Sea Doo. As you know, you don't want to step on the back of the input or output of the motor that's at the back of the Sea Doo, so I thought I'd put one of these on each. And yeah, it's going on a 2024 Sea Doo Spark Trixx 3-up. It's the same installation basically for all the Sea Doos that have this as an accessory for them. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box and see what we got. Piece. Pretty well made. Very nice rubber, thick rubber on there. Thread. Some sort of split at the top. That's the way it'll get mounted. These two tangs or fingers, whatever you want to call them, screws, get pushed up into a little slot in the back of the Sea Doo. And then you get two screws that you put in there. It Torx. I suggest using a really skinny Torx extension to get in there and put those in first. Okay, let's go align this and put it in there. Take it all over to the Sea Doo. There's the screws that come with it as well. Now you can put this on a left or a right. This being the right side. And then there's the left side. And there's that slot it goes up to, the top of it. And then just the two screws. So either side. And there's the place you don't want to step. So when we put the step on there, that's going to be great. And there's the other side. I'm going to put it on the left. So before we install this, I just thought I'd mention, you'll notice there's 4 holes on the step. You're only going to be using the bottom 2. These slots, and I don't know why the other ones, maybe it's for an option for another Sea Doo type, but that just slides up into the slot, and then you just put the 2 holes here. There are 2 bolts. That's it. Let's go mount it. So there it is, just slid up into position. Now I'm just gonna put the 2 screws in there. There it is. All installed. Spring load it. Nice action. That's it. Have a great day.